just an isolated, fast-moving coastal shower as temperatures fall down into the middle 70s or so. Lows tonight, big difference between the Palm Beaches and the Treasure Coast. We're going to see this the next couple of nights. 71 in Wellington, 75 tomorrow morning in Boca. Fast-moving shower possible. Up along the Treasure Coast, 60s all around with 67 in Fort Pierce and Port St. Lucie, 69 in Stewart, 62 in Okeechobee. And again, you could see a quick-moving coastal shower pushing on in. Frontal boundary that gave us all that rain that was stuck over us for a couple of days. It's now down to the south. We have another little disturbance in the Gulf that will also ride just to the south of us, but it will be enough to increase our rain chances a little bit tomorrow. We're going to have a little low form as it does so and then move on out. Then we will see a northerly surge that will bring in some drier weather for us come the middle and end of the week, but we still kept some rain chances in the forecast. So here's Monday morning on Vipercast. A couple of coastal showers there. Watch what happens in the afternoon as we get that push down to the south. We see some showers, even the possibility of a thunderstorm to form by tomorrow afternoon too, and then we'll get a little bit drier. Notice not a lot, but a little bit by Tuesday, especially the Treasure Coast. We'll start to see a little bit cooler temperatures too. So rain chances, they go up a little bit tomorrow and then slowly decline through the week, and by the mid and end of the week, looking a lot more like South Florida wintertime with some sunshine and lower humidities too. Small craft advisory still for the Treasure Coast tomorrow. Seas up there 5 to 7 feet, dropping to 3 to 6 in the Palm Beaches. Beach forecast, rip current threat will be there pretty much all week long. Waves aren't going to be quite as big, but still that rip current threat will be there. 7-day forecast, high temperatures generally near 80 degrees the next several days, maybe a little bit less humid mid to late week, and then we bring up the humidity going into next weekend.